Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're tired of your iPhone asking for your Apple ID password every time you download an app, there's a way to fix that. Let's go over the steps to make app downloads faster and more convenient. First, open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Depending on your iPhone model, if you haven't set up Face ID or Touch ID yet, you'll need to do that first. Apple requires some form of authentication, and enabling Face ID or Touch ID is the best way to avoid entering your password manually every time you download an app. Once you've set it up, scroll down and find the iTunes and App Store option. Make sure the toggle next to it is turned on. When this is enabled, your iPhone will use Face ID or Touch ID to approve downloads instead of requiring you to type in your password. This applies to both free and paid apps, making the process much smoother. If you've made these changes, but your iPhone is still asking for a password, try restarting your device. A quick restart can apply new settings and clear any minor glitches that might be causing the issue. If the problem continues, signing out and back into your Apple ID might help. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and sign out. Then sign back in with your Apple ID credentials. This refreshes your account settings and can resolve any lingering issues related to password prompts. That's it. After following these steps, your iPhone should no longer ask for a password when downloading apps. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.